Hi, this is Garnet Dupuy, Possibility Wave, and the Emotional Insight app. This short training is on getting started. Let's begin. When you open up the app, you'll see this pop-up which describes some of the basic concepts of using the app. It's very helpful. Have a look at it. You'll notice that there's a button. If you like, you can turn it off so that you won't ever see it again. You can see the X in the upper right-hand corner when you want to shut the pop-up off and continue. User records. This is the screen that will come to you after the pop-up. This is where you access the records of users that have already been in the app, or as you see below that, you can create a new account. If you want, you can upload a photo. That's your choice. It's pretty straight ahead. You can see where the yellow arrow is pointing. That's where you fill in first name, last name, birth date, and then just click to begin. Also notice throughout the whole app, in almost every screen at the bottom right-hand corner, you'll notice that question mark icon. You click that and it'll tell you more details about using that particular screen. Create the new account, pretty straight ahead. You can see here, fictitious Bobby Jones, born June 1st, 1976. Once you are ready, click the green Begin to continue. You can see that when you click on user records, if you have a number of people already in there, that they'll each have their own file. If you want to go into, for example, me, Garnet Dupuy, then you would just click on that name and you can see the past sessions that I would have done. Or I can go ahead and use it to create a new account. That's a second chance on creating a new account. If you click on a name that's already there, what you'll see are the sessions that already have been done with that person. And you'll see whether it was spontaneous insight or creative imagery or secrets and lies. You'll also see the date and even the time. This also gives you the chance to create a new session for yourself. So if I, Garnet, wanted to start a new session today, then I'd go ahead, click on my name. It would open up. If I have other sessions, it would show that from the past. But I would just go to that green arrow and create a new session for myself. If I want to get rid of sessions or even whole user record on somebody, all you've got to do is swipe to the left, and then you'll see that red delete show up, and tap on that, and it's gone. After you've gone into setting up the session, a new one or one that's already in the user records, this preparation screen will show up, and this is a place where you get to choose whether you want the spoken voice guide. That means the voice that'll talk you through it. If you don't want it, you would slide that little button to the left. The default is with the spoken voice guide active. Also, this is the place where you get to adjust the entrainment tones and the spoken voice guide volumes. According to your own sensitivity, you want the spoken voice guide to be clear. You also want to be able to hear the entrainment tones. They're a little bit more in the background, I guess you could say. And at any point in the session, you can adjust these volumes by going to see that yellow arrow to that gear icon. And it'll bring up the same screen, and you can adjust it all the time. You really need to be wearing headphones or good quality earbuds to pick up the entrainment tones.